beer.
If we have time for
Selfie
snack,
stick.
I wanna have
You know, last time MC Lido and I had a beer.
beer. Thank you,
Oh yeah,
Benny.
Lemi-san's friend. Yeah, in Osaka. Well,
Lito?
now Nara.
But Lito,
Hey Lido, are you there? No.
no, Lito is not here.
Yeah.
Our friend,
Kanada-ji.
YouTube friend.
Yeah.
Ramen shop,
I see.
yeah.
Nara.
Last time we
in
had
Osaka.
a lot of fun in ramen shop in Ikebukuro.
Yeah, he's like kind of musician and teacher.
We had ramen
Oh,
and
no.
beer. Emi-chan, do you know bakudanyaki?
What about Americans?
私は何人でもいいと思います。
そうですか。そうですか。
いや、あんまりカナダ人の友達がいないんで、
ねえ
珍しいなと思って奈良に住んでる。
そう。へ
カナダ人の日本にいる友達いないんで、
え。そうだ。
前はいたんですけど。
いや、私もそうね。前はいた。Okay. Let's get it.
Find a place.
Is this takoyaki? Takoyaki?
There is a place.
何これ？
たこ焼きかな。
They look like balls. Whoa. Sorry guys. The gimbal's having trouble. Well, 何それ？なんかちょっと美味しそう。Sorry guys, it looks 美味しそう。どこがいいかな？スナック。
ね、
Bakudanyaki. Do you wanna just
Yeah. Looks like Chinese food. Chinese food boxes.
maybe we can go inside.
Whoa. What's up, people? We might be getting some kind of takoyaki
we can
tonight.
eat here.
Oh! Nice! I love this panda.
こっちも可愛くないですか。
Oh, こっち? Yeah, look at
可
that.
愛い。
Reminds me of you.
めっちゃ欲しいこれ。
Oh, it's all. Guys, I'm gonna switch the camera to front. Back. There you go. Yeah, look at that. The tired panda
Very cute.
and the cute little gachapon.
めっちゃ可愛い。
これ
可愛いっすね。これ可愛すぎる。
あ、ひよこ
Hyoko ne.
パンダ
Yo, whoa, these are cute. Look at that.
鬼滅
Yeah, but sleepy, you know? Like a sleepover party.
インフトン
Yeah.
シュールなんか。
なんか面白い
なんか幼稚園みたいこれ。200円。Last time I bought gachapon, I had to throw it away. 食べましょう。
Why don't we just buy and they eat it here?
Sounds good.
大きいかな一個。
How many? Whoa, でかっ。
食べれるかな。
I thought small ones, like 6 small ones.
見て。でかい。
I can eat one. Should we try?
Oh, X Cobra. Hello, what's up, X Cobra? It's
we try
Toy
it?
Juice.
X Carver.
Oh yeah, she's American. Hey, X Cobra. What's up?
Hello.
Like my hand.
Oh yeah, they say hello. So I think
Hello. Nice to meet you.
X Cobra, Toy
Should we
Juice
try?
friend.
Yeah, I can eat.
Look at these onions.
そう。
Giant takoyaki.
Wow.
What's that? You touched it.
I didn't.
I didn't touch it. Oh.
What's this?
Yeah, actually I thought so too. Shoga?
Emi-chan said it's delicious だって。
Ah, you know that?
食べた。
ゆかちゃん、エミから。
あ、すいません。
Is it too deep for you, ゆかちゃん
Not sure.
You wanna share then?
I kind of want to share actually.
Really?
I was hoping for the small one so we could split.
Do we have the small one?
あるかなないみたい。でかっ。
はい。知っておりました。
ありがとう。
これでいいの。
But actually, どうするね
Or maybe buy one and take away, get a takeaway back.
How about I get one and you guys eat it?
Oh, Koizime. Hello. Oh, hi. Thank you.
Can I get one and then you guys
Thank
eat
you
it?
for end up coming here.
You don't eat.
Maybe. No.
You're not hungry.
Nah,
I'm
yeah.
hungry.
A little bit.
Eh?
Just a
Do you
little.
wanna share?
Well,
But it's quite big, ne?
yeah, it's kind of big.
なんか 切ってもらえる。
ああ、そうね。That's a good idea.
掘って切ってもらえたりするんですか？切ってもらえたりするんですか？
いや、切れないです。
切れないんですね。
あ、切れない。
Yeah, they cannot cut it half. We have to have one.
It's a giant.
ね。
I'm gonna have dinner later, so.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
レミさん食べる？
Yeah, can
Can
we
yeah.
tape you? Eating?
Yeah, I can buy and then you guys can taste it. But it's COVID situation, we have to be careful.
Yeah.
Not
So
to share.
you don't have to
Yeah,
share.
we don't
Yeah.
have to share. Just
Yeah.
try.
Thank you
Yeah,
for
Indonesia.
trying for us. You are the live streamer.
I'm hungry about.
Live streamer for 2 minutes. You can. And more costume people saying bye
じ
bye.
ゃあどれがいい？
Oh.
Guys, which do you like?
Oh my. Onikara? Is that onikara?
Teriyaki mayo cheese mix,
This is the pot, raw pot,
raw pot,
double cheese.
Oh, there's long French fries nearby, says Clayton Jones.
Japanese soy sauce mayo.
Hey man, that's a good suggestion.
Which one, guys? Anything?
Oh, yeah,
Do you have
no
anything?
suggestion. Just
Nandemo?
French fries. Long potatoes.
明太チーズとかそうですか？
明太、じゃあこれにしようか。
いいね。
これ？ダブル明太子。
ダブル明太か。
Is it here to buy or we'll have to?
Jay says double cheese please.
Okay, both. One double cheese. Yes. One, two for double raw pot. One or two, please.
One
Or
cheese
two.
please.
What they say?
Second double raw pot.
Rice,
Oh,
cheese.
double
two
cheese.
is raw pot.
Double
Another
cheese.
Felipe says double cheese always.
Okay, so more double cheese.
People love cheese.
Okay.
こっちじゃああっち行かないといけない。
So we have to.
なんかね、
あ、Could you save the seats for me?
Oh, I can stand, no problem.
はい。
Oh, すいません。やっぱり。
いやいや、別に
Oh, thank you. I save it for let me see. Yeah. It's like a gachapon shop.
な
So the party is like has food.
I think before going there, I'm gonna have some with my friend.
Nice.
What did you have for lunch today?
I
Since you had a
had.
big lunch.
Oh, I had. Samurai soup curry.
美味しそう。
Oishi.
Curry. What's
Yeah.
the taste
I
like?
post. It tastes. You can choose your spicy. Zero is not spicy. To at least a 7. I chose one. Usually I have 2 or 3, but
You often go there?
yes.
えー
Oishi. Hokkaido is famous for spicy soup curry, right?
Curry, yeah.
Yes. So, but this chain is so much, for me, the best. So much better.
Only in Tokyo?
I don't know, but
I've never
I know
seen
it's. I know. It's near. I want to say Idabashi.
飯田橋。
Well, near Idabashi. Yeah. とにかく it's fried vegetables. So fried, like outside wa kari kari de, like inside is juicy, like carrots, bobo. Do you like vegetables?
Yeah, I like the lots of vegetables in the curry.
This one, has a lot of vegetables, and then they have chicken. You can get fried chicken, like boiled chicken in the soup, or kakuni,
角煮
which is pork, right?
pork,
Like
yeah,
very fatty pork. So good.
with salt, with the sauce, like for a long time.
Yes.
ね、角煮 is very yummy. Yeah,
Oishi.
美味しい。
What's your favorite food?
I like spices.
I thought you would say pancakes.
Yeah, I like pancakes.
Spicy is very non-unique, not very Japanese. What kind of spice? Like mentaiko?
Have you heard of Moko Tanben?
No.
No. Moko Tanben is a famous ramen shop which has very very spicy ramen.
I want to try.
You should try.
Can you send me the address?
Yes, yes. There are
yeah.
like 20 of them in here. Yeah, and like I think you cannot eat. It's too spicy because.
そんなに強い?
強い。
Like one time I went to Gogo Ichi? Koko Ichi? I said, I'm strong. Give me 10. And then the waitress is like, no, please think again. I was like, oh, okay, give me the 8.
Please think again.
Yeah, give me the 8, right? 8 辛さは8. They said, no, think again, please think again. I was like, okay, I was like 4.
Okay.
I ate it. It was spicy. ちょっと痛かったけど
Even 4.
Yeah, but I think my maximum is 7 for Gogoichi, but yeah. So 8 I will die.
その蒙古タンメンの北極っていうラーメンは like they have 0 to 10 and I ate 9.
うわ、やばい人。
I wanted to cry because my eyes are like watering because of the spicy.
なんでそんなに like Japanese people don't eat spicy?
Some
ちょっと
people are.
like you are unique. 変わってる？だって does your older sister or family eat spicy?
Not at all. Yeah, like only me.
Where did you learn to eat spicy?
Gradually learning.
だから友達？
なんでだろう Maybe, yeah, I've had some friends from Korea. When I was in
Korea.
Australia, they took me to Australian
すごい
and I
ね。
like, Korean instant noodles.
Me too. Oh, you know the spicy Korean instant noodle?
これだ
Yeah, I don't know the name. Just とにかく like I can eat that. That's like a
私、辛ラーメンだ。
いや辛ラーメン。
辛ラーメンは
Or like 2か。
でも辛ラーメンいけるんだったら。
あいやだそれno problem.
プロダクト食べてみて、今度。
No. Oh,いい。Can you send me the address? Or whatever. Yeah. Oh, so do you go to Shinjuku?
I went there recently.
いいね。
Had some yum yum chicken.
Oh yeah, sounds good. Hey, is that the UFO chicken? What's yum chicken?
Yum yum chicken is like a deep fried chicken.
Okay.
Which has like a spicy, sweet
Oh.
sauce, like a red
Sounds
color.
good. Sounds good.
And then that
Awesome.
one I had was not that spicy, so we
Yeah.
were like, oh, it's
いい
okay.
ね。ダメだった。大丈夫。
No, no,
死んだ
Nah.
Yeah, I need some like friends that can recommend spicy because 周りの人は食べれない。
毎日は無理かも。なんか、
まあね。
たまに食べたら美味しい。たまには日本食食べたい。
Yeah, sometimes I crave spicy. And then sometimes, yeah, 日本食でも食べたい。
Depends
え
on the.
でも関西だから納豆は
納豆食べる。食べれる？
食べれる。
食べれんねや、すごい。
Because of my 関西 friends.
おー。
忘れない。
But when you first ate it,
Oh, it tasted like really bad. Like fermented, spoiled beans.
spoiled.
Yeah, right? 腐ってるみたい。Like, it's like spoiled.
But
But-
if you add something,
What do you add? What do you add?
me, I don't add anything normally, but at my parents' house, there
Yeah.
is always like a nice pickled prawn.
うめえ。
Yeah, so I just add
Ah,
it and then
you know.
it's so good. I'm
But
worried about it.
yeah, me too.
I'm just gonna.
Yeah, okay. I'll follow. Oh yeah, okay. Never mind. I'm here to protect the seats, guys. Yuka-san is checking on the order of Lemmy. So just me. We gotta hold down the fort. Clayton, what's up? Hey, yo. Waiting for Lemmy-san to get her giant takoyaki, and then we'll show you guys. Ario, thanks for sharing Yuka's YouTube channel. Yeah, guys, check her out. She's There's a very good material content about Kansai. She's from Osaka, so yeah, very relaxing vlog style YouTube videos about the perspective of an Osaka person to she speaks English too, so about the Western world. Oh, thanks, Nightbot. Yeah, I also got a Discord group. Feel free to check that out. Oh dang, Clayton, you've been everywhere in Tokyo and Osaka. You know about a very spicy Indian curry place in Osaka Station. Just chilling here, guys. I want to pan around to show you the awesome gachapon. I totally love the panda one right here. And isn't it cute? You got a couple here eating together. Lots of young people hanging out. Oh! Hello. Please. Yeah, no problem. Yeah. And if you don't mind, I will switch the camera around. Hello. We've got Yuka-san and Lemi-san. They're gonna have a giant.
Too much bonito, I can't.
Oh my god, bonito fish
This
flakes.
is my chopstick. Let's see.
From Tokyo to Osaka, 2 hours and a half on the beverage train.
Cheese mix inside. Okay.
Cheese mix. It's so great.
I forgot to bring tissue. はい、でじゃあ You're gonna eat some ね
Oh, really? Don't worry about me.
うん、どうよ。
Yeah.
Seriously?
うん、食べて食べて。
Yeah.
多分なんか分けるの大変だし。
Do you mind?
うわ、美味しそう。
We just want to see you eat.
Oh my god.
美味しそう。Ah, you can see the air. Did you see that?
Yeah. It's very.
And Yuka is full. No kidding.
いただきます
Oh, 美味しそう。
美味しそう、レミちゃん。
Looks hot.
Yeah, be careful. Be careful. Oh,
あ、ナイス。
美味しそう。
おー。めっちゃいい。
Reaction. I missed it.
なぜ。
Whoa.
So creamy.
So creamy.
Creamy and looks very hot. Wow, cheese.
Wow.
Look at this cheese.
So much cheese.
レミさん deserves it.
Yeah.
I feel bad I put the only one eating.
No, it's okay. Because Paul-san had a great curry today.
Oh,
I should
yeah.
have, get the
Samurai curry.
tape on the back so I can carry.
Sorry. Wow.
Wow.
もんじゃ焼きじゃないの
Haha, we talked about monjaki. Monja ne.
熱くないです。Are you okay with that?
Be
ちょっと
careful.
あれをは
A little
Be
hot.
careful. Don't burn your tongue.
Don't like with the salt.
Japanese comfort food.
Do you feel a lot of cheese taste?
This makes me miss the
Looks so yummy.
Chinese food in America. Chinese food boxes.
Yeah, that's what I saw. Like every American dramas I see, they have this kind of
Yes.
take out food.
Yes. Yes.
I'm very hungry.
Yeah.
You can eat slowly.
ありがとう。But I feel bad.
Don't feel bad.
I'm very enjoying filming.
Yeah. Me too. Look at that.
But I like
Ultra wide camera now. What's up? Peace. Naka, it gives me pleasure to see you enjoy the food.
the inside is even better.
I will have dinner at home.
I think it's hard for you to hold it. Maybe ここは持ったら大丈夫。
すごい。
Once again, what flavor? Oh, 大丈夫?
Ah, 移動するんですね。
Usually with two hands.
Oh, do you? We can help. 大丈夫? 重そう.
Yuka-chan has heavy hand. But I can finish soon.
What flavor is it? Sorry.
This is.
I was curious.
I hope it's not gross.
Oh no, no, it's
okay?
like it just looks good.
Oh, Mr.
Like
Miyazaki
cheesy.
says he likes with kimchi.
Kimchi is nice. And
Yeah.
mochi.
Oh, hey, Mr. Miyazaki. Oh, I know
Mr.
him.
Miyazaki. Mr. Miyazaki in both.
No, actually, Clayton said he burned his lip eating rice porridge yesterday.
Really?
Sorry to hear, dude. Sorry, Clayton. Oh. Tight space. Yuka-san, how does it feel to be cameraman?
It feels so good.
Yuka-chan is good in front of camera.
That's right.
I think, yeah,
Please show us.
your face.
Oh, I was gonna say belly dance, but sorry, that's kind of weird.
Yeah.
Also, this makes me miss okonomiyaki.
It's like okonomiyaki.
Yeah.
おー、すごいすごい。ビッグ
Whoa,
バイトだね。
that's a good catch. Look at that.
Do you think I can eat one bite?
I wouldn't recommend it. You're gonna burn your tongue. Yeah, I feel what Clayton's feeling. Don't burn your tongue.
It's too big.
Yeah. Reaction. No.
あ、え
Oh, sorry.
今めっちゃ真剣に
I
飲
was
んでた。
looking for reaction. ちょっとすいません。
Taste with cheese.
Mm.
Cheese. Very cheesy.
Yeah, I feel like Lemmy just ate a whole,
Cheese.
like a cup
Really?
of milk. Ate a whole cup of milk.
Are there like a corn?
Tabun, yeah.
へー、コーンの
From America.
コーンと
Corn from America.
Is there any octopus too?
Interview
I
time.
don't think so.
I don't think so. Really? I thought it's a
何味でした? No octopus. Sorry guys, we
I
lied.
think I take it home.
Oh
Let's
wow.
walk. Let's walk.
It's a good idea.
ね。これこれは
That's American style. Just take it home, man. Take it home with you. Take home.
They're walking around.
There's no shame being that random person on the train with some food. Oh yeah, 時間大丈夫? 時間でお時間ない? 6時?
I think I have to leave.
Oh, thank you for your time today.
Thank you for just joining.
Thank you for your time.
Let me join.
Thank you for joining. I hope we can eat next time.
ねえ、またフード食べに行こう。ありがとう。
Halloween party.
Yeah.
なんかそう。
We're just walking now. Let me try to get some widescreen now.
Widescreen.
Will this work? I can't see now. Hello, cameras. Hello, everyone.
I wonder where everybody is going.
Probably to a party.
Party.
Everyone's going to a party except me. Dang.
Tomorrow ね。
Huh? Yeah.
You're going to party.
The public party. The public party in Shibuya. Yeah. I will be something cool.
What time will you start your live stream?
Oh, 5 p.m.
5 p.m.
Thank you. 5 p.m.
5 p.m.
Live.
Yeah, right before dusk, right before sundown.
Oh.
Because my image of Shibuya is like the Halloween parties at night or
Yeah.
Halloween crazies at night. 3 years ago, there was police like standing on their car.
Oh, we call it DJ police.
Oh, DJ police, yeah, so.
DJ police.
DJ policeman 3 years ago. Yeah, have you been to Shibuya?
Never been.
Yeah.
Like, last year was my first Halloween day.
Oh.
So I didn't do anything.
Yeah.
But, USJ, Universal Studios Japan.
이야,
I
이네.
wear costume and went there.
楽しそう.
Yeah, several times.
Osaka wa USA only?
Only, not only, but also Dotonbori, I think they are.
道頓堀. 知らなかった.
So, and
I was there for 2 years, but I didn't go. I didn't know there was Dotonbori.
American summer is so much.
へえ. What did you dress up?
In USA, Angel.
Oh, Angel.
Angel
Okay.
whatever, like a
Angel. 좀 더
I
늦어요.
mean,
아, 잠깐.
Angel
야,
devil.
이 나. 사스가 Japan. For like group, yeah, dress up. Yeah, I want to be Goku.
Oh my god, I look so embarrassed.
Yeah, make my hair yellow.
Hey, did I have aonori a lot on my teeth?
I
didn't
don't think so.
notice.
Yeah, I didn't notice. I don't think so.
Somebody noticed it?
Yeah, I missed it.
Oh.
Did I have aonori, the seaweed on my teeth?
Show
Oh yeah,
them,
yeah.
show
Can you
them.
show?
But it's good that I'm wearing mask.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Small advice, Lemon-san. You should cut that piece and make it into a video, like a, let me try some, takoyaki or make a YouTube shorts.
Yeah,
from
maybe.
that.
Yeah, it was a good show.
Yeah, could be. Yeah, I've been trying. Do you guys try YouTube shorts?
I've
Yeah,
tried.
short video, yes.
I put
I
4
tried.
yesterday.
Lady-san has a very popular.
Oh yeah. It's
My
like in
short
it's like
video
recently.
went very popular.
Not for me, like maybe half an year ago, I made a video about ducky,
Donkey?
ducklings.
Oh, Ducky.
It
Yeah, eat that.
was popular.
I
too.
saw that. I
I
think I
think
saw
more
that.
than 1,000.
미타요. Why did you stop?
I prefer longer.
Ah, you
videos.
prefer longer.
Yeah.
Like this one.
Too short.
Ah, too short. Oh, I feel like you should continue. 1,000, right?
More ducklings.
Yeah, more duck. That's why I figured Ducky Girl. Oh, hey, so do you know the Sesame Street? There's a duck song, Rubber Ducky.
Somebody told me that.
Yeah. Bert and Ernie sing Rubber Ducky.
Can you sing?
You're the one. That song. I don't sing well, so maybe I should stop.
そんなことないと思ったけど。
Yeah. Yeah, Ikebukuro ne, guys. Look at that. Yoru no Ikebukuro. Oh my god, I can't. Oh. Lemmy-san, come back.
We are gonna lose each other.
Yeah.
We are gonna get
There you go. I call Lemmy-san now. Where are we going?
pounds worse.
Are we headed to a station?
Yeah, but I wanna show you Luka-san. Oh,
Oh,
I'm okay. I just need to go to the street. Go to street. 大丈夫です。
well, don't get lost. Oh no! See ya. Have fun at the party. Bye bye. Bye.
Luka-chan, everybody says goodbye to you.
Yeah, goodbye.
Bye-bye.
Goodbye.
気をつけて
Bye bye. Enjoy your
Halloween.
party. Happy
Please
Halloween.
check out Yuka-chan's channel.
Yeah. Bye bye.
Nice.